You can go around and connect out different social media accounts with your VistaCreate account so that you can easily post in those social accounts as you like. So over here, if you want to go around and then access your social account settings, you can click on the profile icon right here from the home page. And then what you can do is you can go around onto account settings. So once you go around over here on the left hand side, you can see social accounts is an option. And if you were to go around and click right here, then you can see that Pinterest is connected right here in my account. You can also go around and then connect out Facebook or Instagram account as you like. If you want to disconnect an account, so over here you can see that I have Pinterest. So I'm just going to go around and click on the 3 button and I can refresh to refresh out the account linking or remove the account altogether as well. So if I were to click on remove account, now I have no account linked with my VistaCreate account right here. But I can click on connect right here, and depending on the social account you select, the authorization opens up as long as you're signed in onto that particular social account, and then you can simply go around and access this out as you can see. And that is how you can go around and manage out your social accounts inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.